So in this problem, we're told to use part 1 of the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus to find the derivative of the function. And we're given that y equals the integral from 2 to 1 of the function u cubed over 1 plus u squared du. And so I rewrote our function right here. So how do we go about finding y prime, so the derivative of this function? Well, the first thing that we want to do is swap these two. And we can do that because the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, or one of them, tells us that we have like a and b of some function. I'm going to call it f of x. We can change it to, if we want to swap the a and b, right, we can do b, then a, but we have to change the sign on it, so it will become minus. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to make this minus, but we're going to swap these two. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I erase all this, and we swap these, it's going to become y equals the integral from 1 to 2 minus 3x, and we got a minus, put a minus on it. So u cubed over 1 plus u squared du. And then now that this is on top, it's pretty easy to solve. So all we got to do is plug this in here and then multiply by the derivative of this. So y prime is going to be equal to this, but with respect to this. So minus, so replace u with this. So 2 minus 3x cubed over 1 plus u squared. Or instead of u, we put 2 minus 3x squared. Right? So we replace it with that, and then we got to multiply by the derivative of 2 minus 3x. So if we want to differentiate this, the 2 will become 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. Derivative of minus 3x is just minus 3 because we're taking the derivative of something, of a constant in front of a variable to the 1. And then so it's just going to become minus 3. So we multiply it by minus 3. And then since we're multiplying by minus 3, it's just the minuses are going to cancel. So the answer to this is going to be 3 times 2 minus 3x cubed over 1 plus 2 minus 3x squared. And let me try and explain how this works. So basically, we're trying to find y prime, right? So the derivative of both sides. So basically, we just differentiate this side, right? And when you differentiate an integral, you just get whatever's on the inside, right? So the integral, it just cancels the integral basically. And then, but since we're doing it with respect to 2 minus 3x, because it says, because that's how we do it. So we plug in 2 minus 3x. We also have to multiply by the derivative of 2 minus 3x because it's the chain rule. And so basically you just plug it in and then take the derivative of that. Then but you got to multiply by the derivative of 2 minus 3x. And so yeah, that's going to give us this answer right here. And that's how you solve this problem.